Hi, welcome back to my channel. I'm Libby from Heart Beauty, and today I'm going to be showing you an unboxing of the Esthemax Jelly Mask that you can use at home. So let's unpack that one. You are going to receive 2 pouches of application of your mask, which can be used once a week, once a fortnight, or even once a month. You will also receive a mixing and application spatula, a water measuring cup, and also your mixing and application bowl. Stay tuned because we're going to show you how to apply your mask at home. Enjoy! Today we're going to be showing you how to apply your at-home Esthemax Jelly Mask with your at-home mask kit. At the start of this video, you would have seen a little bit of an unboxing of what you will receive in your kit. So let's get started with applying that one at home. Firstly, you're going to cleanse and exfoliate your skin. So today I have prepared a facial cloth as well. So this one is just a face wash cloth with warm water just to help remove the cleanser and exfoliator. I'm going to begin my cleansing with the O Cosmetics Gentle Antioxidant Cleanser. So I'm just going to do the 1 pump of this with a little bit of water. You're just wanting to kind of massage that into your hands, get it to foam up, be a little bit vigorous with it. And that's foaming up due to the coconut. And then you're just going to go in and massage all over. Get right into the creases and removing all of your eyebrow makeup and eyelash makeup. Get right down onto the neck as well. And then when you've done that one, you're going to remove with your face cloth. And then going in with your exfoliant. So today I'm using the O Cosmetics Exfoliating Cleanser. So this is an jojoba and cranberry bead, so it is more of an abrasive cleanser, so you can feel the beads. A little bit of water as well. And then again, massaging over the skin. So that is the cleansing and exfoliating stage of your at-home masking. I am going to apply a facial headband to apply the mask, as it is quite like a runny jelly mask. So you don't want to be getting it in your hair. There we go. Super pretty, isn't it? Alright. So you're just going to be needing 1 packet of your mask. So there's 2 applications here. So pop one aside or back into the box for your next application. You're just going to be cutting along the top. And then pouring into the container that is provided. And then also you have your scoop of water, so just the 1 scoop poured in. And then you're going to be mixing up with your spatula. It's kind of like mixing a cake. Oh my god, it smells so beautiful. Today we're doing the Goji Berry Antioxidant Mask. So super hydrating. Super rejuvenating. Be quite careful when you're mixing so you're not getting powder everywhere. It will be like a thick jelly kind of consistency once you have mixed it all together. roll the powder into the jelly because that makes it a little bit easier as well. Probably see powder going everywhere, little excess bits. Alright, so you should have a jelly-like consistency that is that little bit thicker. And then with your spatula, you're literally just going to apply it straight over the skin. There we go, so that one is all applied. I'm just grabbing some excess out to go just along the edges here, just to make it that little bit thicker. And with your spatula and your bowl, you can just wipe these ones down and pop them back in the box so you have them ready for your next mask application in 7 to 14 days. And then you're going to let this one set for 20 minutes. So we've just turned that one on, and then we'll see you again in 20 minutes to show you how to remove it. Perfect, so that 20 minutes is up now. So what we're going to do is remove the jelly mask. So you'll find that it has set quite bouncy, so it will feel like quite jelly still. You're just going to go around the edges. It can come off in either one piece or it can come off in multiple little pieces. Just depends on how thick it was applied in each area. So you're just going to go around and then start pulling down. It can feel a little bit pulley on the areas. And just go all the way around. And I'm just going to grab my face cloth and I'm just going to wipe off any excess. If you get any in your hairline, you can just wet it slightly and then just pull it off just like that. So that one is all done. So that one is your at-home Esthemax jelly mask application and removal. And to finish off your treatment, you're going to be applying your O Cosmetics serum and your O Cosmetics moisturizer and SPF. So today I'm going to be applying the recovery cream. So just the one pump of this one needed. Massage into your hands and then applying straight over. There we go, we are all done. Thank you guys for watching. If you have any questions, please leave them in the comments below and I'll get to those ones shortly. Thank you.